change something on the home page, right? What you do is you edit with Elementor.
We're right to get a copy of this recording, yeah?
Yeah, later. So the way Elementor is that each of these has a box. So what you do is you just put it here, and then I'm not going to hit it, but let's say I wanted to change that to get the career you love. Then you just delete it and type in career. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Each one of these boxes is, you can just go in there and change it. I think you can do that same with the buttons.
Yep.
Love Elementor. It's the best one.
Yeah, it's totally completely easy. That's all you have to do. Now for the blog part, I recommend you don't use anything on the side part. Just go in and switch it. For the blog part, let me go into the dashboard. So for the blog, you just go in like here, hit post. And then if you want to add, you just add a new post. And it goes here. This was a draft that Preston and I did.
Yeah, that's that video, isn't it?
Yeah, so all you do is type in the headline, what you want here. You can put the pictures. This is like the actual inside the content. And then if you want to, and then you hit publish here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you can do maybe a featured image or anything else like that. But you can basically edit that like a Word document. And I have it set to where in the piece of the theme that I've built for the blog, it will automatically style it, color correct it, add the correct margins and whatnot. So as long as you focus on putting the correct content in the actual post, the website should handle the rest.
And there's one other thing is that we integrated Yoast in here. Now, we just did the standard version, so you can upgrade, and it does a lot more things. But when you're typing in, when you do a particular post and you want it to run under like career consulting or resume writing or selection criteria, that's where you put it so that the search engine sees it.
Yeah, I've got Yoast at the moment, I think.
Okay, then you know how to do that. And then if you want the main picture to go up, where's the main picture? Featured image is right here.
Yeah.
So then what you do is you just hit this and put the featured image, and that's what goes up top. And then you hit publish or save draft, and your blog is up.
Yep.
Cool.
And that image, that was the one we talked about, Preston, wasn't it? Having it at the right size of pixel.
Yes, I think
Yeah.
That was the one me, you, and Xavier talked about. As long as you guys have it at the minimums that we spoke about, it'll look great.
That was 900, I think, wasn't it? Off the top of my head.
Well, you know what? Let's just double check that and send it. I'll send it to you in Slack to make sure that you guys have it.
Yeah, just in written would be great. Thank
and
you.
Of course, the categories are here. Any tags that you want. So it's that easy.
Cool.
Yeah. Same as, yeah.
Okay, you want to, and then of course right here is settings. If these are users, so if you want to add any users in, Kate, you just go in there and add a new user.
Yeah, and I meant to say, as far as Kate, your account is already in there and linked to all of the current posts that are in the blog. So if you go to katelangford.com/WP-admin, you can use your regular email and just do a reset password, and that way you can have something secure.
No worries. Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah. So so this super admin, you can take us off if you want to, but that actually just means that we have access to go in and change whatever you guys want us to change. We won't touch it in any other way. If eventually down the road you want to kick us out of the court and tell us to F off, then that you like, this isn't stuck in anything that's connected to us. We can move it anywhere. So if that, so you have peace of mind that I didn't
It's fun to
ground
say
you
that.
anywhere.
There's no need to remove it. It's all good.
Right. Anyway, so that's it. So you can add anybody here, and it's pretty much the same as your other one, except for the elementors in there, which makes it just a lot easier to go in and change stuff, names and stuff.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was all the same as similar layout to what we already have now. So that makes a lot of sense. I just didn't know that.
Yeah. So that is it, my friends. And if you have any questions, we're always here for you. So
Is there any of those on your list later that you needed to ask?
Yeah, just about plugins. What plugins are we using and how do we update those and keep on top of those?
The plugins that you have are these.
Yep. We got
Yep.
Rocket, Elementor, and I think Yoast.
And were those the $49 a month ones?
Yeah, but they're not a month, they're a year. But for 2020, for 2021, I've already paid for them because I have a super. Every year I buy a super, like an agency package.
Yeah.
So you guys don't have to worry about any of those plugins, and
Okay, so we just get back to you about that heading and then get back to you about if we're moving the hosting.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then if we want anything else, then we come back to you.
Yep.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
other question I had was integrating with Facebook and Pixel, so it's on every page on the website.
Mhm.
Yes.
And how do we add, like if we do a new page, so like if we wanted to add a new blog page, and how do we add that pixel to that?
Okay, so the way I have it set up right now, I have your Facebook pixel code built into the header code of the website. So any
Cool.
new pages that are generated on the website will automatically fire your pixel off.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's great.
Cool.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Nope, I know how to add page because I like Elementor, so that's good. That wasn't as hard as I thought.
Yeah.
I was just like, which one are they going to use? It's making me nervous. So it's really good. I kind of get that one good there as well. And on the blogs, favorable text, like use it. It's kind of, you've already set up the old ones with it. So I just follow along with that header that you've got on the old ones. I'm presuming like header 1 and header 2, more keyword rich, so that the tracking and Google picks it all up and all of that. Is that right?
That's it.
Awesome. So header 1 and header 2. Updates done. I think that was everything for me, Kate.
If you're happy, I'm happy. I guess, yeah. So we're all like Google ranking wise, SEO wise and stuff like that. Is there anything else?
Yeah, I mean, we have Yoast in there. And I pulled up, Kate, when you do create career, create consulting, create resume, everything comes up, you still rank at the top. So, as far as, and that's what WP Rocket also does, is it keeps on updating the site map and all that kind of thing, and keeps it so that it's loading fast, and that it makes everything Google search engine happy.
Yeah, and it's those blogs, Preston, hey, that we want to make sure we've got all of our keywords. Yeah.
Yep, that's it. And just for every blog you do, just make sure you throw a focus keyword in there for it. I know you guys have some older blogs in there that maybe if you want to go back and recheck and set a certain focus keyword for, you do that as well, probably help. But
Can you put that on the list, Lisa, for Sam to do when she gets back, please?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, everything else is set. Everything else should be set up. So yeah, as long as you guys keep following that same format, you guys should feed Google search engine exactly what it wants.
Awesome. And
Good.
thanks for sorting that ManyChat, Preston. Didn't
No
realize.
problem.
Yeah,
problem.
I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.
Yeah, so
problem.
that's all up and going. And also if you what was I gonna say? Okay, I have a request. If you don't mind, Kate, would you mind giving us a little like we don't suck to work with testimonial?
Yeah. Did you want a video one or did you want a written one or both?
A video one would be great. I mean, I could just rip off what you wrote, whatever you would say from the video, but a quick little video one doesn't have to be long. Would be so awesome.
Yeah, no, I can do that.
I would really be grateful. So, yeah, guys, I hope that you could call us again and that we do something, whatever else you need for this. But we're excited to see you off and running and kicking some ass.
Great, thank you. And then
Thank
we'll
you.
hand over and everything now, as in, I don't know, have you got all the logins and everything? Hey, Lisa, that's all sweet.
Yeah, so just to confirm, I think that's what Preston was saying, that I just go to WordPress -admin, the usual login page, and then I just use Kate's email address. Which one am I using? She's
Yeah,
got
Kate at katelangford.com.
Yep.
.au.
Yep,
Yep,
and then
you'll
just reset password.
reset the password.
Yeah,
you-
and
that is
it
all
needs
it
to be
is.
quite complex, doesn't it, for security reasons? Like,
Yes,
don't want anybody
I would
hacking
say
in.
so. At least give
Yeah.
me a capital letter, a number, and some type of special symbol, to
Yeah.
keep it as secure as possible.
Great, thanks, Preston. That's
No
lovely.
problem.
Capital.
Oh, and if you could click that recording over for me, Melissa, that would be great.
Yep, I certainly will. No problem.
Cool.
Cool.
Okay,
Website
guys. Well,
away.
have a good one.
All right. Well,
Yay, high
thank you,
five.